Welcome back, guys. Today is day 23 of exploring Japan via geoguessr. We finished off my little reacclimating to normal Japan map with the 3 in a row of 3 minutes. Now we're going to go on to a station map, a pretty short 1 minute 30 seconds per round. This is by all means a pretty easy map. I mean, there are still some rounds that are pretty hard, but it's generally pretty easy, so to make up for that, set the time a bit shorter. Otherwise, everything else is allowed. Let's just get right into it. I do quite like this map. Sugita. Not immediately ringing the bell though, so... Okay. Come on. I don't recognize that though, to be honest. At least not like super well. So I'd really like to have a city name. That's what I would really like. I mean, what would the K in that be? I mean, I'm assuming that's from Hamamatsu? Maybe? Yokohama? Yokohama? Koura Sugita. I actually do kind of feel like I mean, this is Yokohama. Okay, I feel like I have seen a Sugita though, to be fair. It's too far up. Oh no, it's not the best start. Not the best start. Shin Sugita. Which direction am I? Looking at east, I'm west. Should be around here maybe? Or wait, where's that? Okay, nice. We do get it. Holy shit. Oh, that was way too close. So I guess that had nothing to do with Hamamatsu. I was just way overthinking that. It's this line, right? It's still this line. No, or maybe? I can't tell for the life of me. The fucking any amount of the Kantou rail systems, I cannot say I'll ever be able to get with confidence. But okay, well we got it though, barely. And that's what matters. Sakae. Have I heard of this before? Kurashiki? Sakae. Kurashiki. Kurashiki. Okay, that should be enough to just start scanning, I think. Let's get this up a bit bigger. Oh, here it is, Sakae. We found it. And, yeah, we're in this, in north here. Should be just somewhere in the middle, I think. Should be fine to send this, I think. Yeah, let's go. Okay, a bit further into the middle, but we still get it. Nice, that one worked out better. Was able to find the city name pretty much immediately. And then just, I know it's not JR, so look for the line that's not JR, because actually there's only... yeah, that is going through it, but that's JR, that's JR. It has to be this line. Is that also Kurashiki? No, I don't think so. Or maybe, whatever. It doesn't really look like it is, but it could be. I can't tell borders. Or maybe it is. Oh no, maybe it is. But okay, but we found it here, so whatever. Oh boy. Haneda Airport. Hiyashi Nihonbashi. That should be this station. So that people can find it. Hiyashi Nihonbashi. Hiyashi. So if Nihonbashi's here, I feel like Hiyashi Nihonbashi was like over here-ish, but... I'm gonna set it in Nihonbashi for now. Ningyo-cho. I am trying to look. We have 2 stations that we could look for. I don't think it shouldn't be this one. But at the same time, I don't know where it would be. Yeah, it's kind of round, just like you either know it or you don't, I feel. There it is. There it is. Ah, man. Is this where? It is. Oh, fuck. I thought Higashi was like further down here. It was. Ah, and there's Ningyojo. I'm blind. I probably looked right past them both. At least this one, surely. Damn, yeah. Shin Nihonbashi. I should have checked up here a bit more. Yeah. Ah, man. Fucking Tokyo, dude. I still suck at Tokyo. Yabashira. I can't really see the kanji that well. It's like where this is. Okay, well, we have the name of the station. It's fine. Let's go elsewhere and try and find the name of the city. Jeez, a bit laggy. We have a Family Mart that disappeared in front of me, I think. Matsudo, okay. Should be enough to find it based off of that. I don't think it was JR, right? No, I don't know what that is, but... Well, probably this. But I'm not seeing it. Huh? Confused. It should be this line, right? Like it's that symbol. Is Shin? Am I blind? What's going on? What's going on? What? It was Shin? Oh my... It's together. And this one covers it. I guess I should have just gone... I mean, sometimes you have it where they're the same place, and a lot of the times I feel like you have it in a different place. But to be fair, since I didn't know where it was otherwise, I should have just put it there. Like, surely there was nowhere else it could have been. Damn. Unfortunate. With a bit more time, could have happened, could have worked out. Is that Iwate-ken at the top? I cannot make out that other part because it's fucking backwards. Koiwa. So here's the station over here. Takizawa Mura. Koiwai. Yeah, was that Iwate? Oh boy. Damn, that is what I would have expected to see. 019 should be Iwate. That much is pretty set in stone, but where would this be? Takizawa? Wait, was there Takizawa? Yeah, but it's Mura. And I'm not seeing a oh. Surely we're like right here, right? I mean, this does... Wait, south? Wait, what? Oh wait, it was Koiwai. That's not the... What? This is a Shinkansen line? Oh, there's also a normal line. And there's JR. I don't even think I noticed that. Fuck. Man. I'm having some bad rounds. Was this? Yeah, it was. Okay, this one was there. Fuck though, man. Yeah, bad rounds. Bad rounds. Wah, wah, wah. Alright, well, we'll look at the breakdown. Two pretty solid ones to start us off. Even though this one was pretty last second. Round 2 was really solid, and then yeah, just 3 just meh rounds. I'm telling you, I hate, not a fan of this area. This one barely worked out, and these two did not. And then this one was just me. It's weird they had Mura. I wonder if those are just old. And yeah, I did not notice this. Just not enough time. My brain is not working fast enough right now, I guess. Which is cope, but at the same time, it does stretch up way more over here. And I saw the Takizawa, like Shirley, and I forgot Koiwai, and it's this little section, and I'm so bad at this game. I'm probably gonna lose to the other people who play today's. Whatever. I'm just throwing them a bone, I swear. But yeah, I mean, Eki is still fun for sure, but yeah, it can be very hit or miss, especially for me, because I can be pretty bad sometimes. But yeah, I don't know, it's still fun. And now that'll be the end of today's video. I will see you guys in the next one.